Hello, I'm Daniela Mellen. Today's video is just a quick follow-up on a previous project that I did about stitching a found object into your slow stitching. And the purpose of this was to add interest, something unexpected, an unusual element, we'll say. So for that project, I stitched a leaf that I found in my yard. Now when I stitched it, the leaf was green and very pliable and soft. And it's been a while now, a few months, and so the leaf has dried considerably. And a lot of you have asked, what happened to the leaf? Did it survive? Did it crumble? What happened? So I wanted to show you that. So it's been a few months, the leaf is totally dehydrated, but it's still intact in my project. And as you can see here, the leaf is still there, it's changed color, it's kind of brittle, so if I touch it, it's still brittle, but it's pretty secure. Now I can't say that all leaves will be secure in the future, so you do have a few options. You can use a preserved leaf that's preserved with glycerin or some other form. You can use an artificial leaf, and they do make some beautiful silk flowers or artificial flowers and artificial greenery, and you can use that as well. Or you can find a different object to use in your slow stitching that won't perish, that won't crumble, like a feather or a stone or a crystal. So those are options as well. So my leaf survived pretty well. In the future, I'll make sure to use a waxy leaf or even the type of leaf that I used here. But it is effective and it still remains. I'm going to keep my project, and I'm really curious how long it will last before it deteriorates further. And again, this isn't functional artwork, so it's not something that I'm handling on a regular basis. And this will keep it preserved even further. But if that's something that you want to do to actually handle it or use it or display it, I'd think about an alternative method, either using that preserved leaf or an artificial one. Thanks for joining me today.